नमस्कार दोस्तों, बीसीआर न्यूज में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं अजय शास्त्री और आप देख रहे हैं बीसीआर न्यूज।
जब करण जौहर ने कंगना को कहा कि उन्हें बॉलीवुड छोड़ देना चाहिए और शी शुड आल्सो स्टॉप प्लेइंग अ वुमेन एंड विक्टिम कार्ड, तब ट्विटर दो ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड हो गया, द कंगना ग्रुप एंड द करण ग्रुप। Kangna, as we all know, doesn't hesitate to put her opinion in front. This time also she chose to reply the flag bearer of nepotism and the head of movie mafia, Mr. Karan Johar. She said, I can't speak for Karan Johar's understanding of nepotism. If he thinks that it is restricted to nephews, daughters and cousins, I have nothing to say. But to say that he chose not to give me work is to mock an artist. As importantly, his memory appears to be poor because we worked together in a movie, Ugly, which was produced by him, and quickly realized our sensibilities did not match. I'm also at a loss to understand how he gave me a platform by inviting me to be on his show. I have been on several platforms before with several global icons. To say he helped me voice my opinions is to discredit me as an artist and a public personality. And I think it should be added here that I was invited to be a part of the show in its 5th season. His team requested my team for months for my dates. But what is pertinent here is, why is Karan Johar trying to shame a woman for being a woman? What is this about the woman card and the victim card? This kind of talk is demeaning to all women, particularly the vulnerable, because they are the ones who really need to use them. The women card might not help you become a Wimbledon champion or win your Olympic medals or bag national awards. It might not even land you a job, but it can get a pregnant woman who feels her water is about to break on a lady's seat on a crowded bus. It can be used as a cry for help when you sense a threat. The same goes for the victim card, which women like my sister Rangoli, who is a victim of an acid attack, can use while fighting for justice in court.
फिल्म दुनिया का एकमात्र समाचार पत्र बॉलीवुड से न्यूज रिपोर्टर जो पूरे भारत में एक साथ प्रसारित होता है, बॉलीवुड की तमाम खबरों के साथ साथ देश दुनिया की अन्य खबरों से भी आपको रूबरू कराता है। बॉलीवुड से न्यूज रिपोर्टर में अपनी खबर या विज्ञापन देने या प्रमोशन के लिए स्क्रीन पर दिए गए नंबर्स पर कॉल करें।
I use every card possible. At the workplace, it's the badass card to fight cutthroat competition. With my family and loved ones, it's the love card. When fighting the world, it's the dignity card, and for a seat in a bus, it's the women card. What is important to understand is that we are not fighting people. We are fighting a mentality. I'm not fighting Karan Johar, I'm fighting male chauvinism. Now that Karan is the father of a little daughter, he should provide her with all these cards, the women card and the victim card, as also the self-made independent woman card and the badass card that I flashed on his show. We will use whatever we need to ensure no one rocks our boat. I'm also a little surprised at the graciousness he says he displayed in choosing to not edit the Josty bits on the show, while I'd have blacklisted the channel if something like that had happened. Let's also remember that the channel wants TRPs and he's just a paid host. Also, the Indian film industry is not a small studio given to Karan by his father when he was in his early 20s. That is just a small molecule. The industry belongs to every Indian and is highly recommended for outsiders like me, whose parents were too poor to give me a formal training. I learned on the job and got paid for it, using the money to educate myself in New York. He is nobody to tell me to leave it. I'm definitely not going anywhere, Mr. Johar.
फिल्म दुनिया का एकमात्र समाचार पत्र बॉलीवुड से न्यूज रिपोर्टर जो पूरे भारत में एक साथ प्रसारित होता है, बॉलीवुड की तमाम खबरों के साथ साथ देश दुनिया की अन्य खबरों से भी आपको रूबरू कराता है। बॉलीवुड से न्यूज रिपोर्टर में अपनी खबर या विज्ञापन देने या प्रमोशन के लिए स्क्रीन पर दिए गए नंबर्स पर कॉल करें।
So the entire story doesn't end here. Kangna once again has invited a controversy by just being bluntly honest and herself. Leave your comments below and do not forget to subscribe.
बीसीआर न्यूज के लिए मुंबई से अजय शास्त्री की रिपोर्ट।